Mogalabe Khoza, chairman e hlomphega go Afrika ka bophara ka hlompho le dikoko jo bogolo ka kudu re fe league ya rena e gape re a tia le wena wa bona a re nyako tsa rena o le sia la go le tharo o moswa go ba Mogalabe re a gatla
naze nabahlukumeza abantwana naze nabahlukumeza abantwana bebancinci naze nababhonya abantwana babantu yazi besingekho isidingo sika 3-1 u-3-2 ube right abantwana mababethwe ngo-2 okanye 1-0 2-0 bangabe discouraged because they will actually feel less of who they are because nina lo nifika xa nifika nibashaya ngo-3-1 funa babetha ngo-3-0 basazodlwana ngo-5-0 abantu badlala Sundowns but nina nizowadinga amagoli benwabetha because bekusuppose banisave amagoli yazi baniwasavelani niwasave mhla nidlala neStellenbosch because njengoba nikora amagoli amangaka nje azophela because there is a certain number of goals ekufanele niyikorele this season. So if lama goli niyawabhubhudla kwiiteam ezingenamsebenzi njengale benidlala nawo namhlanje nizowadinga but ka-compensated anyways. Congratulations, niwinile and as a result of that win number 1. I know into benikora la 3 goals because benifuna uba number 1 bengaphezulu kwe-Pirates. Okay. Ngenive into ethi isende lendlela ngenive lonto kase ndisho nje ndithi isende lendlela kodwa ke congratulations, 3 points collected, then we move on. Thule nje ngiyabuka kusazoba mnandi kule season. I will always be here. Each and every game yenu ngizoyibukela net song. For now, I don't have a player engathetha ngayo but nje ngithule nje ngiyabuka bafana bami. 3-1. Okay.
Kaizer Chiefs seningaze nidlala igame kanje ngazathi benidlalela icup. Nisha iKruger bengizo understand kube like benidlala nalama team ashayeka easy maybe Sundowns, Richards Bay, Sikhukhune. Nibhizi niyagijima lapha egroundini nijulukile niyakora come on ubugreedy lento eniyenzayo
Mandala pheme anjwe ngofu nokwetabuwa 7-0 no bulabula nete baba ri jepha la morogo ri lekiye phela mnaka mina bengitsukile nami ngitsaka udasitsabula 11-0 lokho kwekhosi lokho
yo abafetha ngesilale iChiefs number 1 yes yazi ngirelaxile ngizitshela ukuthi hayi ngoba concedile abahlalanga lapha kuhleli thina SS yo ngeke sila yo iviki lonke yo we
ngoba ngishilo we remain unshaken ngiyabeza abantu bathukile thuswa yini. This is Kaizer Chiefs. This is a big club. This is what big clubs do. We are not surprised. We know this. Toyota Cup kuvulwe league 3 points. Niyabona nje we are cruising ngoba sanitshena ukuthi uma sifake leli jazz leli yabona bo line it means siyadlula freeway cruising. Coach wethu igama lakho bani? Fernando da Cruz. We sikulento yo cruise ship 3 points top of the log cups big club. So this is Kaizer Chiefs. Abantu we know this. Ushunwethu this season lo. This is who we are. Winners. We remain unshaken. Word of the day. Word of the season. We remain unshaken. As long as just file umthes freeway loyo. So sikhazele nje uthi hayi siyadlula. Cruising. Guys, Kosi, we are so back. We are back. These are the days. We are back. Abashwe.
Ngiyawuthanda umbuzo wenkosi uthi bapha abanye. Uthi inkosi basele empini. kodwa wena usekhona engathi ungabuka emuva bapha abanye
iKruger United ibulewe ngenduku, rightfully so. Ibingekho ezinjani bekufanele bashawe labantu. And yazi mina ngirealizeni ukuthi laba sobashaya laba. Before igame iqala ba-interview coach Da Cruz, bayambuza ukuthi emfethu iChiefs iyodlala kanjani kule game. Waphendula uDa Cruz ngale language yakhe wathi control the ball. Athi laba sabashaya laba. Laba sabashaya laba. Sibashanga control the ball. Pega kwenzakaleni kule game le. If you check in the first half, the first 25 minutes of the game, dominance, complete dominance, controlling the ball, control the ball, controlling the ball, right? The tempo, the pressing. We knew when to trigger the press. And I like what they were triggering the press from the wing. Batman, because if you trigger the press from the middle, you disrupt the shape in the middle of the park and they can bypass it because no mundo pumil, but trigger it from the wing using Batman. Salute. But Kaizer Chiefs lost control later on in the first half. But in the second half, Inyao entanyeni waya. Yabona la kule game Kaizer Chiefs was so tactically flexible. Ngapha kwa right kuMonyani, uMonyani was playing as a wing back. He was offering the width because Uvilakazi akanayo imoto. So Uvilakazi cuts inside, uMonyani has to offer the width, you know. But if uMonyani cuts inside, Uvilakazi stays on the width. Same thing applies ngale kwa left. Ngale kwa left, Luke Batman was playing as a winger, not as a wing back, because Froster was sitting back as a dead center back, so he doesn't have to cover. But now Chislet would operate inside, allowing Batman to run on the wing. But if Batman comes inside on the wing, Chislet Simbona are operator outside. That's why Chislet Bano Batman Gule game, they were so crucial in terms of operating in those half spaces on the left hand side. Kaizer Chiefs Yangob. Salute to my boy, salute to Monyani, what a game. Reinforcement, what a game. And of course, like as the Chiefs go to, they managed to score the goals. Da Silva on the first half, Wandile Tuba with the praise.
Hayi bafethu labantu laba bathi lo coach lona uDa Cruz uyiplamba. Hayi bafethu abalazi. Hey lo muntu uyasazi isitori sakhe bafethu. Second half ubonile ukuthi hey la singaqhubeka sososhawa. Wakhipha uFavlo Da Silva wafaka uWandile Tuba. uWandile Tuba wenzeni washaya ibrace. Abafethu lo muntu uyayazi into ayenzayo. If bengayazi into ayenzayo bengizobona. Hayi Kaizer Chiefs sesobona khona bafethu ngeke ngisho kuningi.
You can't say I didn't warn you, Kruger United. I even told you the exact scoreline we're going to beat you by.
Big trouble. 3-1.
You cannot take us to a carpet. Mbombela team. Did you see that third goal? We put together 1,000 passes. They thought they intercepted it, but no. Our engine, our piston, Mabue steals the ball. He's like, here, Dubai, gives him Tim on a plate. Here, go eat. 3-1, finished. We're done with him. Batman is dangerous. Hey, we have a weapon that side. Is this what we've been containing last season, holding this weapon back? No, guys. That man's a danger man. Each time he got the ball, the defender must have been, yo. Because he knows the guy's coming direct. He's going to dribble. He's going to go past you. Imagine you're a defender and you know what's coming and you cannot stop it. That's what that defender was facing against Bartman. Dangerous play. No. First half, First half, when they scored that 1-1, I was like, yo, don't do this to me, Kaizer Chiefs. Because towards that goal, they were growing into the game. You could sense, you could smell, man, that goal is coming for Kruger United. And hey, fair play to Kruger United. Good finish. I think it was Ndlovu who scored that goal. Yeah, very good finish. But never say that attitude. Second half, your Kruger were chasing shadows. Kruger did not know what was going on. People were just running past the ball. You don't know who to mark. They were dizzy, Jay Kruger, just dizzy. Didn't know what was happening. I'm not even sure Kruger United knew that they played the second half. No, they didn't know. Because they could not deal with us. They could not contain us. The Cruz ball. That's what I'm calling it from now on. The Cruz ball. Dangerous. We made Kruger United twerk. Guys, but I said it earlier. But let me not say too much because it's only the first game. I said Kruger, bye-bye.